Ever wondered how your favorite motorbikes journey from the manufacturing plant to the showroom in your city? It's a fascinating process, full of intricate details, and today we delve into the hidden world of motorbike transportation. Imagine the manufacturing plant, a place of high-tech machinery and precision engineering where your motorbike takes shape. Once the manufacturing process is complete, the first step of transportation begins: packaging. The motorbikes are carefully prepared for their journey, wrapped in protective materials to prevent damage during transit. This process is crucial as it ensures your bike arrives in pristine condition. Following packaging, the bikes are loaded onto specialized trucks designed specifically for motorbike transportation. These trucks are fitted with unique fixtures and fittings to secure each bike in place, preventing any movement that could cause damage. The journey from the manufacturing plant to the city isn't just a simple drive. It involves a carefully planned route, taking into account traffic patterns, road conditions, and weather forecasts. The drivers of these trucks are highly skilled professionals, trained to navigate these challenges while ensuring the safe delivery of the bikes. On reaching the city, the motorbikes are unloaded and inspected for any possible damages during transit. After passing the inspection, they are prepared for the showroom. This involves a thorough cleaning and polishing, so when you walk into that showroom, your bike shines in all its glory, ready for you to take it for a spin. So, to sum it up, the journey of a motorbike from the manufacturing plant to your city is a meticulous process. It begins with careful packaging, followed by secure loading onto specialized trucks. The transit involves a well-planned route, managed by professional drivers, and ends with a thorough inspection and preparation for the showroom. It's a process that ensures your motorbike reaches you in perfect condition, ready for the road. The world of motorbike transportation is one of precision, care, and professionalism. It's a world that works behind the scenes, making sure that when you step into a showroom, your dream bike is there waiting for you.